Hi guys, this is Subbu, and with me I have Andy. Today we are going
Yes.
to discuss about Squid Game. Yeah, Andy, we'll talk about the first. We'll talk about what are the things that we loved about this particular series. Yeah,
So I am in love with the art direction, man.
yeah,
Seriously, bro.
it's amazing.
Seriously, you are making because now everybody have watched it, so we can go the spoiler way.
Yeah. It's
So
just
with a really
spoiler
dark
free.
and
Yes,
yeah,
spoiler alert. Please, if you haven't watched it, please don't watch this. Yeah, then after watching it,
yeah.
come on, watch it.
Uh,
Yeah,
so for a dark themed series like Squid Games, you
yeah,
get this all colorful art direction. You could do all colorful palette. Even they don't run it with the what they say the color grading. They didn't.
yeah,
The color grading is also bright. It's not
yeah,
the typical Korean way. It's not the gray
yeah.
or the
Yeah,
green,
it was very
the
colorful.
green
It
tint.
was so pleasant to
That's
watch.
not there.
Yeah,
It's so bright.
yeah,
Yeah, it's not tamed down or moderate. It's bright. It's almost on your face type. So it's a really and somewhat it also gives a little eerie feeling. So also little ominous. Gives you like a little
yeah,
that something is wrong with this.
yeah.
It gives you that, but
Yeah, from the
that's
very first
always there.
episode, you'll get that. Yeah.
And the
From the
second
very first
thing,
episode, you'll get that
yeah,
feeling. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
So the art direction also contributes to it.
yeah,
And the second thing is the writing, man.
yeah. The
Writing is the
characterizations.
primary thing.
Yeah,
And correct, I would say the characterization and the detailing is a bit lacking for me. I thought
yeah. Like I mean, the
they could have gone
backstory was not so great. The backstory of the characters, they didn't have any backstories and
not the
all.
backstory of the character.
Okay.
No, okay, that
Yeah,
can
yeah,
be your point of view. My point of view for
yeah,
that is backstory. It's about you that you like the backstory or you don't like the backstory, but
yeah,
at least give it a little touch. Like
yeah,
we know that Ali has left and his wife and his daughter, I think.
yeah, yeah.
Do we see his daughter or his kid or his child? I think we do.
Like,
Or even
so,
if it's
yeah.
his, yeah,
Yes. Sorry.
even if
I didn't
it's
get
only,
I didn't get you properly. The
hello.
last thing. Yeah. I can hear you, but I didn't get it
Yeah.
properly. I mean, yeah,
So what I am saying is that we know that he had his family, his
yeah,
wife or his kid. I'm not
yeah.
sure about the kid, but his wife. So
Talking
never
about
the
the
once time
like
he
you're talking about the that main protagonist, right? The
characterization.
the first guy, the main
No. I
protagonist.
am talking about Ali. I am talking
Ali,
about Ali.
yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
yeah,
I'm talking about Ali. So I don't know that he had a kid, or I think he had a kid, and he also, but I saw the wife for sure.
wife,
So
yeah,
he had a wife. So never once he mentioned his name.
yeah,
Never were a moments when where he mentioned his name, her name,
yeah,
and says that I am missing her, that or he makes this or that. So
yeah,
that's the char- the characterization hits the most with the two girls,
yeah,
with the two girls, and it's the most and the Janbu episode.
yeah,
Yeah, the Janbu episode and the with the two girls. It's like, oh man, that they I felt like that there was sexual tension, that there was some amount of sexual tension between them. they are attracted or something that is there. But I didn't knew that more than sexual tension, it was more romantic than that. Tragically romantic though, but
Yeah.
it was, and
Yeah.
it's so beautiful that it ends on that note.
Yeah.
And I really liked it. And if you a little
Yeah. Like for me, the
attention to
characterization.
detail,
Yeah. 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 Go for it. Go.
yeah,
Yeah. Like
a,
okay.
a
Yeah.
little attention to detail,
Yeah.
put a little attention to detail, you will
Yeah.
see in the first episode what we see. He tries his luck for the first
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
The
There's
protagonist,
yeah. Yeah.
Sangyu,
Yeah.
yeah,
Something like that. Yeah. Ji Hua, I think his name is.
no, it's Sangyu. It's with
Okay.
S.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay. Oh,
Okay.
I watched the series a week ago. It's not fresh in my mind, so I can
Okay.
let little mess up with the
Yeah.
names. So the character, we saw him the first time. He tries his luck with the gambling, and
Yeah.
he is a gambler.
Yeah. Yeah.
He has yeah. So he is a gambler, compulsive gambler.
Yeah.
So he goes and gambles and he loses,
Yeah.
but then he tries his luck again and he
One.
wins.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that means luck is or is his on his side. So
Yeah.
when you will put him in the game of luck, he might tend to seem he might seem like a loser, and you will
Yeah.
think that he will lose. But there will be, but luck is on his side. He
Yeah.
may strike gold. That no, that there was no chance, and he decided to go with the uncle.
Yeah.
And we all know what
Yeah.
happens.
Like we are like
Yeah, we know.
this is yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, we know uncle. That we came to know later why uncle gave him his all his marbles.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's the climax.
Yeah. Yeah.
We get to know that why he did it.
Okay, we are
But
not going to talk about the climax. Okay, we don't want to talk about the climax. We like we'll let them see.
no,
So
I
yeah,
am not
yeah,
talking about. I
yeah,
am
yeah,
not
yeah,
talking about climax.
yeah,
I
yeah,
just
I know.
said that it
Yeah,
the revelation comes there.
yeah,
So he gives him the marbles.
yeah,
For what reason? It comes out later.
yeah,
But it's so beautifully done that you know that it's all the luck is on his side. But when the character it's gradually it progresses, his conscience evolves throughout that game, that he
yeah,
comes to know that this is not the thing, money is not the thing.
yeah,
And he is really guilty. He has took that all on him, that
yeah,
the lives he has took, yet
yeah,
that the lives he have seen vanishing in front of his eyes, he see himself as an culprit and
yeah,
doesn't want the money at all, but
yeah,
still. And then the climax came, and then what happens, so you know
yeah,
that.
yeah.
So
Okay,
that's how good is the writing. I
yeah,
really love that how they put that the two girls in the
yeah,
Janbu game,
yeah,
and
yeah,
how they turned that around, that it becomes really emotional,
yeah,
that they both understand, they get
yeah, yeah,
attracted to each other, that they are. So it's platonic, it's also platonic, it's romantic, and it's tragic at
yeah,
the same time, with
yeah,
two girls. I haven't seen it. Not implicating, even not
yeah,
implicating. It's
yeah,
not
yeah,
implicating that their sexuality.
yeah, yeah.
But
And
so
the
it's
thing,
really,
yeah, like
yeah,
okay,
yeah,
we'll come to these things later. Like I loved a few things from this series. Okay, one
yep,
you all already mentioned the art direction. that is something like easily the art direction and also cinematography, which easily pulls you into the series. Okay, when you're watching something with a game, like you want to know who is winning. Okay, you want to know who is winning. Like what are the things that's gonna happen there? Okay, who's gonna win? Who's gonna lose? We are like a spectator, but here they made as a player in this series. Okay, we always, when you're watching something like if, like for example, we have seen a lot of sports films and all. In that we are always spectators, but here we are also a player. That matters a lot for me in this series. And also like you said, the characterization of women's, okay, the girls was so beautiful. like like they that that is another girl, this the one who is
The mean one.
yeah, the like the one who is do some stupid things, like
Yep,
she,
yep.
yeah, like
Yeah, her character is really strong as well.
yeah,
It's
like
not
she
outright
thinks that
stupid.
she's strong but she's not, like she thinks that she's strong but
No,
she's
but
not. Yeah,
she is strong. She is a strong
she's
woman.
strong in
She
few things,
thinks
but
that
like
he can outsmart everyone.
yeah.
He's
Yeah,
over
and that
smart.
was so funny, that
So
that was so funny to, that was so
yes, yeah,
ironically funny to watch. Yeah, yeah,
yeah,
and
yeah.
also
It's
yeah,
yeah. So about the writing as well of the show, that it's also there that the fine line
yeah,
between the dark comedy and the humor is so fine
yeah,
that when you see the Dalgona honeycomb thing,
yeah. Sorry,
that honeycomb, the
sorry.
second game that they play,
Yeah.
the Dalgona honeycomb thing, the
Yeah.
honeycomb,
Yeah.
the,
I remember.
yeah.
Yeah,
So yeah, so everyone gets the trick after the Sangju
yeah,
does that licking thing. Everyone gets the trick.
yeah,
People are getting shot. Everyone is
yeah,
licking the honeycomb.
yeah,
So it's so the line between dark comedy, they
yeah,
have used the dark comedy to a very good effect. Korean writing has brought that dark comedy to a new thing, that in Korean cinema we watch this. I have
yeah,
watched Old Boy. Old Boy had a
yeah,
lot of moment like this. Parasite also
yeah,
always, but with Parasite there was that it's humor and
yeah.
it's
Little
drama.
emotional kind of.
With this one,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah, humor and dark humor, and they play between the both. There, it's only dark humor.
yeah.
So
And here is
there are no
this
like,
is, I would like to compare this with the Big Boss. You know Big Boss, right? Big Boss in India, the
yeah,
show.
you can make that analogy.
Yeah, because
Yeah,
like you like in human, like human mindset is something like if somebody is like losing them, like if somebody is losing their characters, like they are so angry about their characters, we get to see that they are losing them. Okay, like at one point that
yeah.
the main protagonist used to like take a knife and he's gonna kill his friend, yeah. I was saying something about like at one point in the eighth episode or in the ninth episode, the main protagonist used to take the knife and he's gonna kill his friend, as Sangu. And
Yep.
at the time, the girl used to say, "This is not you. Like this is not your character. Your like this is like she used to say that, right? Yeah, like
Yeah,
so.
but
Yeah,
it's
we get to
a
see
Survivor
that
series.
transition. Like they used to see these kind of things in Big Boss. Like the the
Yeah,
character used to
yes,
lose
I get
them
it.
completely. Like so we always love seeing this. So it was very relatable in that movie,
Yeah.
in that way. Yeah, yeah,
Okay, so here's my take that as Big Boss as well
Yeah,
is a survivor drama.
yeah, yeah. And same,
We
yeah,
don't see
yeah,
it like that, but
yeah,
for the contestants, is an
yeah,
survivor drama.
yeah. I get it. Yeah,
So, so it's a survivor drama trope that
but
you
they are not
make
gonna kill
friends,
there. But
then you
here
have
they just, yeah,
they
yeah,
don't kill there because it's not
yeah,
a fictional series though.
yeah,
So
yeah,
so here you can take that liberty,
yeah,
but it's a very familiar survivor drama trope that you will
yeah,
see in survivor dramas. This kind of thing happen if you have seen more of survivor dramas. So it goes like that. That was not something I knew that this character will transform into something.
yeah, yeah.
And
But it is so good to see like how they are losing them, how they are getting, how they are frustrated
uh,
about these things. So
uh,
like we people always love
yes,
seeing these
yes,
kind of
yes,
things. That is, yeah,
and the
that is the only, that is the
biggest
one
thumbs
reason
up.
why this becomes a big hit. You know, that is one such a reason why this series
Now,
becomes a, yeah,
yeah, yeah,
yeah,
y- yeah, agreeing with your point,
yeah,
but
yeah,
I think that it's more of also critique on human nature.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah, for me, it's the show lies at it. You can draw parallel between Squid Game and Parasite.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah,
Parasite,
inequality things and all, you know, inequality things.
inequality.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. No, I will like to elaborate that between in Parasite, the the difference between the two families was the social stature.
yeah, yeah,
It was the social stature. It was the comfort, the financial stature, status, and the uh, what do you say, financial security,
yeah,
the security for security and scope for a better future.
yeah,
That's what divided the two families. Here there also a divide between the contestants
yeah,
and the guys who are behind, who are watching these games,
yeah,
not the one with the guns.
yeah,
They
yeah,
are the guards,
yeah,
but the guys who are watching this game. What's it's the money. It's the money. It's like um it's like
yeah.
quicksand of money that
Sorry.
all the players, quicksand.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it's a like a quicksand of money. Like all the players who are playing, they are like all want money. All are like they have money on them.
Yeah,
They have loans to pay. All
yeah,
of them, they owe money.
yeah. Because
They
of this,
all have loans to pay.
I
and
really love the way
the
when they,
first,
yeah, sorry. Yeah, I really love the way that they showed their problems in the second episode, where the title of the second episode itself like help, you know, this type,
yeah, the second,
yeah,
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 I
like
am on
and
the
they get to
second
see like
episode.
yeah, like they have a lot of
Yeah,
problems
yeah, in the second,
outside than the Squid Game, you know. Yeah,
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 yeah. Squid Game, no, but in the Parasite, the problems were a little. It was not the matter of life and death.
yeah,
Now, these guys, they need money.
yeah,
They need money on any cause. Now, after they have seen the brutality in the game, they have
yeah,
know the fate of the game. They know what's the fate of the game. They know what they are going to do with them. They know it, but they still want to play because they know what they will get in the end.
yeah,
So they want to play it.
yeah,
Everyone after the dread gets to them.
yeah,
The dread of the death comes to them. They all get scared. They all want to go away, but
yeah.
they all come back.
Yes, yes, because like the the
Back.
the problem that they have outside is like is so bad than they have in the game,
Yeah,
so yeah.
yeah.
Yeah,
They, because they know that
yeah,
outside if they fight for their life,
yeah,
they won't get money.
yeah.
But
Yeah,
in
because
this game, if they
that
fight
is the
for their
thing they
life,
have
they
done
will.
for throughout their life. Okay, they have done the same thing throughout their life. They didn't get
They are
anything,
fighting
so
with
they,
their life.
yeah,
and and what's there in the Korean culture, I get that black marketing is, and these illegal businesses are on so high that it's like really, like they say, I will take your kidney or I will take your eyes. It's so easy for a money lender
yeah,
to say that. In India, people, not every money lender
yeah,
is like, I will take your eye. I'm
yeah,
like, it will be like this in certain areas,
yeah, certain areas, yeah,
for sure.
yeah,
Yeah. Also,
but
India is a
not
vast
everybody, but
territory.
not everybody, but yeah,
Not everybody.
yeah,
Yeah. So it was like that. It's so easy for a person that if he takes out a
no, no,
kidney
no,
out, he
nobody's gonna
has a
ask.
person to buy it.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, he has a person to buy it.
Yeah, because even the doctor there, even the doctor in the game, Squid Game, and the few people, they used
In
to
the
do the
game as
same
well,
thing.
they are making that scandal.
Yeah, they are doing
Yeah,
it big. They lost only one eyes, okay, and the people were like,
yeah.
how can you even do that?
Our prime minister,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah, our prime minister came and said during
yeah.
the pandemic that take Aapda Mein Afsar,
You got me. Yeah,
take opportunities in the pandemic. So
so you,
opportunities in the adversities.
yeah,
Okay, so
yeah.
that guy makes it to full use.
Yeah, and after that, I
And
really loved the portion. After that, I really loved the portion when they were brutally killed. Okay, they were brutally the doctor and the and few people, like the few people with the
yeah,
gun, they were
yeah,
brutally killed.
and
And there is
yeah,
a dialogue,
it's so.
and there is a dialogue, like you have seen inequality outside of the game, and now they don't want to show the. I'm just blown away. The beautiful dialogues the
How
series have.
ironic, how
Yeah,
ironic, how beautifully ironic
yeah,
that this guy is saying about fairness.
yeah,
That in this game is somebody is talking about fairness.
yeah, yeah.
This is like something like, yeah,
Like
you shouldn't do this.
Salman, yeah,
Of fairness.
Salman Khan is talking about traffic rules and all. Like,
Yeah, yeah,
maybe,
yeah, bro.
yeah,
Yep. Yeah. No,
yeah,
Khan is not talking about. Salman Khan is playing a role in a film where he is going to avenge for his daughter who
yeah,
has been killed in an hit and run accident.
yeah.
That, I, I, if
I was like, what the hell
that
is
will
this?
be beautifully ironic.
Yeah,
Yo, man,
yeah,
yeah. So it's been written very beautifully, very intricate writing is the director of the series was 10 years with the show. He
oh,
spent 10
yeah.
years
I,
developing the
I, I've read something
script.
like that, but
And
not sure. Yeah, yeah,
yeah, so after doing that he comes up with it, and it's really good. The casting, I will say, is really good.
yeah, yeah.
For the casting, I will say, really, it's really good.
Yeah, because it's
The
not, you're not looking at only one guy. You don't you don't have only one protagonist. Like he might be the only main protagonist, but other than that, you have Sang-woo, you have the three girls, and you have that Tag. I I don't know that the guy who is
Yeah,
like very
yeah. In a survivor
yeah,
drama, it's like a survivor drama that you have
yeah,
always have a leader, but
yeah,
that leader is not always the protagonist.
yeah,
Everyone is protagonist in his own
yeah,
plot.
yeah,
So that's the thing with the show. And the another thing is that the overall nostalgic
Yeah.
nostalgia with the games or
Yeah.
with the childhood
Yeah.
has also worked for the show
Yeah.
in all the, I can say it for the Asian countries,
Yeah.
that everybody would have
Yeah.
connected, because I don't think the games would be that different.
Yeah. Yeah, but like because like
All of those
when
games.
you sing that red light that red light game, when you sing that game,
Hmm?
the first game, the first game,
Yep, yep, yep,
yeah,
yep.
like nobody would have thought that that doll is gonna kill them. I was like, after one day got killed, everybody was so anxious,
Nobody,
Yeah,
nobody. Oh, one
yeah,
second, one second, one second,
yeah,
bro. 1 second, bro.
yeah,
Hmm. Yeah.
yeah. You were saying something. Uh, yeah, I was saying something. Yeah,
I
yes.
lost.
Sorry, sorry.
Yeah.
Like I, I,
Hmm.
I was saying something about the games. Like nobody would have thought that the doll is going to kill them,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
then
that girl.
yeah, like whenever you just see that doll, you get some eerie feeling. You you just feel that like somebody's gonna kill us if we move. Okay, so I was when watching the series, I was just like this. Okay, if I move that, the doll will kill me. It was very very
Yeah, yeah.
intriguing one.
It's so. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
But that's where the art direction came.
yeah,
That that there are people with guns. That there is going to be some bloody thing happening,
yeah,
and they gave us this brutality
yeah,
in front of the show,
yeah,
in so front up in the show, that this is it's gonna be, and it's
yeah,
grand.
yeah,
It's really grand, and
yeah, yeah,
you don't see anything kind of that kind of brutality again in the show,
yeah, yeah,
because you don't see 200 people dying together again in the
yeah,
show. So that's the thing, and it's a really perfect meme material.
yeah.
It's a really perfect meme material, because
Yeah,
you
because like
cannot
I've seen
expect what
something like
happens.
if this doll is going to be the exam invigilator, then nobody's going to try copy. That's one of the best meme I've ever seen. Yeah,
Yeah, bro. It's
yeah,
it's really it's I have to say that the show is amazing.
yeah,
The writing is amazing. It's everything, but it's a really overhyped show. I won't say overrated. I
yeah.
would say
It's not an
overhyped.
overrated show. It's not an overrated show for sure. Yeah,
But it is definitely overhyped.
yeah,
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 definitely overhyped. You cannot say that it's the best show
yeah,
in
yeah,
the history ever made. Like
yeah,
after 3 years of Sacred Games, I can say that Sacred Games lies on the top of the OTT content that we have in the country.
yeah. But
I'm
but
talking
I'm a
about Sacred
huge.
Games series one.
Yeah, but I'm a huge fan of Family Man. For me,
Yeah,
Family
yeah.
Man is somewhere down the line is better than
And
Sacred
then
Games.
Family Man also at the top of that game.
Yeah,
But Sacred Game ruins
yeah, but
itself with the season two.
it started the way like it started the trend. Like in India,
Yeah, yeah.
Sacred Game. Yeah,
With the Netflix, it's the thing.
yeah, yeah,
Netflix tries to work with the top talents in the
yeah,
country.
yeah.
They don't go there, and they
And
don't like
now,
Amazon. Like I
they
will
have spent a
try to
lot for the
digress.
Korean market. They have they, they have spent a lot on
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah,
Korean industry. Yeah,
yeah. I will digress a little. That people sometimes come and they compare between Netflix and Amazon. If
yeah,
I see Amazon haven't spent money for indie film creators. Not a single penny.
yeah, yeah. Agree.
They
Yeah,
haven't.
yeah,
Yeah, they all of their shows come from established production
yeah,
houses. It, they are not coming from people. Netflix is giving money to people. Take
yeah,
our money, make your show.
yeah, yeah. Because of that,
Amazon is taking the show
yes,
from.
we have seen a lot of Korean dramas. Like I haven't seen a lot of Korean dramas and all, but like there were a lot of Korean dramas, and they
Yeah,
created a
yeah,
fan base, you know.
and the
Yeah,
yeah, the overhyped thing is also because of the popularity of the K
yeah,
drama and the K-pop
yeah,
thing,
yeah,
that
yeah,
you called it the Korean wave,
yeah,
and so it should be,
yeah,
because it's like that. They are ruling the world.
yeah,
They are the only industry with one thing. One,
yeah. And you were saying something. Do you remember what was that? I just forget. Yeah, we are talking about
yeah,
this
I was
the
talking about the
industry.
Korean drama thing.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah,
yeah. So it all started, and it all contributes that it's
yeah,
the only one uh, industry which sings in their own content, and it's accepted all over the world.
yeah,
Like Indian content hasn't banged international borders
yeah, yeah,
that well.
yeah.
We haven't
Not like few have
penetrated.
done few things have done that, but not everything. Yeah,
Not yeah, yeah.
not a
We
lot.
have Kola Feridi,
Yeah,
not to forget,
yeah, yeah, yeah,
and we are having and the newfound hip hop culture in India
yeah.
is also going places, but
But we couldn't
still we are
make
not
like them.
that
Yeah,
penetrated. We don't have a fan base like BTS,
yeah.
or fan base
Yeah, the thing is like
like Korean dramas.
I, I have seen something like in 1994 they start they 19 sorry so, but in some year the government said something like we are going to invest 1%
That
of
they
the
will invest in
annual, yeah,
yeah,
1% of the annual income on this
yeah, that Ronak Monta
entertainment
Mango Hill
industry.
shows.
Yeah, yeah, you have watched. Okay. Yeah,
uh,
I also
yeah,
get the
so
point from this that video. Yeah,
yeah, yeah,
yeah,
so the that one is uh, see, this all always happen when you have a lot of investment.
yeah,
Then when people show their investment into that, so then these kind of things happen.
yeah, yeah,
Like in India
yeah,
also. So trends always begins like that. That someone put their investment on something, banks their money on something, and then the things just blow up. So these kind of things happen. But I will have to also say that this show could have gone a little better if they have used humor to a good effect,
yeah.
and they could have made the
Even I
characters
felt the
more,
same. Yeah,
yeah, they could have made the characters more what they say, man. I don't get that. Yeah, they would have made characters more lovable.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, even that
Or
the Dangsu, the bad guy,
yeah,
could have been a little lovable thing about it. Like
yeah.
they have in the show called if you have watched Walking Dead.
No, no, I haven't watched.
Okay, so you have watched you must have watched Guardians of the Galaxy.
Yeah, I just forget it, but like I watched it, but I couldn't
You
remember.
remember na
Like,
Zondo?
yeah, I think I can, but like the memory for me, like the I hardly
Zondo,
remember
the
the
blue guy, the blue
Marvel
guy,
films and all. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay,
the
yeah,
blue guy with the
yeah,
whistle.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah, I got it.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
that actor plays a character in Walking Dead, which who has that thing, that he is a bad guy. He has gray shades. He has everything, but he is still lovable because he teases. He
yeah.
teases in
I
such a
like,
way that
for example, ha, have you seen The Boys? The Boys
boys, yeah,
on like,
yeah,
yeah, like
yep, yep, yep.
if you like after watching it, your favorite character and your the character that you loved and the character that you hate will be Homelander. Like he
Yeah,
people,
you will
yeah,
love to
exactly,
hate
yeah,
old Homelander.
yeah,
Yeah,
likewise, yeah, I get it, yeah,
yeah, because yeah, I to love Butcher
yeah. But
because I am a
my
Carl
favorite
Urban
is
fan. I have
Starlight.
watched
My
Red.
favorite, yes, sorry.
My favorite is I won't say the favorite character, but the character I loved the most was Butcher.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. My
The,
favorite character is also Butcher, but my
yeah,
favorite
because
the my
I
favorite this super thing, the superhero, they were in that thing. I really like Starlight and Homeland. Yeah, yeah,
yeah, and I am really, and I love these kind of series which are made in phases.
yeah,
That these series, they deal in phases. Season 1, season 2, phase 1.
yeah,
Now the phase 1 ends and then you start the phase 2.
yeah,
Like there is also in the Family Man.
yeah,
Now
yeah,
the
yeah,
phase 1 has an end. Now the phase 2 will begin.
yeah,
So I like these kind of series. So
yeah.
there is a cliffhanger and you know that where it going to be. And with a series like
Yeah, and also
Voice,
like
man, it's
there were a lot
really
of, yeah,
revolutionary concept.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
also there were a lot of high points in the series, in Squid Game. There were a lot of high points.
Yeah.
Yeah, like
What do you
in the
mean by
fourth
high points?
in the fourth episode, when that what is it? I just forget the name. Okay, that, oh my god, that rope pulling. What is that? My god, they used to pull a rope. Just
A tug of war.
tug of war. Yeah, 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 yeah. Like in that game, they just like Sam
You
used
were
to
trying
say
to say
that.
item scene.
Sorry.
What do you were with the high points? You meant item scenes.
Yeah, like, yeah, because at that time, like we didn't get what
Uh,
what gonna happen next. Okay, we
okay,
didn't get it. What is gonna happen? Like,
okay.
because like
One second,
I'll tell you
so
what
one
happens.
second.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So
Oh, okay. Sorry, sorry. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah,
yeah. Uh, are you saying the point where the episode ended
yeah. Like because,
when
yeah,
they
because like why
when they
I'm saying
take
this is
the
why I'm saying this is like my mom is told me to my mom told me to go to bed, okay, but I was like, mom, wait me just 5 minutes, just give me 5 minutes, I just want to know what happens in the next episode,
the next
whether they
episode.
won or lost. Yeah, because
Huh.
they used to take 3 steps and then it ended. I was like, what come on, I just want to know.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. You know it. You know
yeah,
they are not going to die.
yeah, like it's predictable, but still we just wanna, like, we just have to
They
witness that,
can't die.
yeah,
Yeah. They can't die. You know it, but you
yeah,
are going to watch it because that's why it is called cliffhanger.
yeah,
You know he's not going to die.
yeah,
And who
yeah,
dies, he is not the protagonist. If he
yeah,
dies, he is not the
yeah,
protagonist.
because it has this
So yeah,
the normal commercial entertainer things, okay, like we know the
yeah,
protagonist, it was predictable, we know the protagonist is gonna win easily, like not easily, that we know the protagonist is gonna win at the last, okay, but still they made it engaging one, with the art direction, cinematography,
yeah.
and
You
they
know that
make
the
it brilliantly.
smartest.
Yeah,
Yeah, they know that there is a smart guy
yeah,
against a gullible guy.
yeah,
Yeah. So if he
yeah,
makes some story, if he gets him indulged into his talks, then
yeah,
he might
yeah, yeah.
kill
The one
you.
scene, like in
But
that marble game, that like the way he brainwashed Ali. I'm so cried when that scene happened. I'm like,
yeah,
I don't want Ali to die.
that is
Because even I believed that,
yeah,
what Sangu is saying is true. Okay, like the two people can. So I thought that Ali's going to live. But then I was I cannot digest that. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's constructed really well that it is like that two people can survive the game. He says that, and he has the plan, but then he says that his plan was just for himself, not for Ali.
yeah.
His plan was only meant to save his ass, not Ali's. So
Yeah, yeah, because
when
why I thought
that
that is because like throughout the series he always rooting for Ali. He always used to like Ali than
and
his
yeah,
protagonist.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
it
than his friend,
feels like that
Yeah,
he likes Ali, that
yeah,
he loves someone, that he, but that scene, that
yeah,
umbrella game, that
yeah,
umbrella episode, that has one. When he selects that, when he when Sanghu says
yeah.
that I am
Going in
going to
circles.
pick the umbrella,
Yeah,
he knows what the game is.
yeah, yeah. Like
He knows. He can
yeah,
say at that moment, bro,
yeah,
don't go there.
yeah,
Okay, don't took
yeah,
there that row, and he is going go.
yeah,
Okay, that because he knows that it's
yeah,
game for of competition. Every life is your competition. You need to eliminate it
yeah,
anyhow you can.
yeah.
So if
And this,
someone
yeah,
trusts you,
yeah,
use it to your effect.
yeah,
Use it to your good effect. Don't let the chance die. And that's how it becomes really, because he is not doing it for his selfish reason.
yeah. He's doing it for
He has
like
a
his,
family.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah, he
yeah,
has the loan on him. He
yeah,
owes money. He has death threats. He has everything against
yeah,
him.
yeah,
But he is not going for the money just to protect himself.
yeah.
He want to leave everything and
Like
go to
every the
his mom.
456 people, they all have their own things, like so we cannot say like okay you have to date, so we cannot say that this guy should have to win. Yeah, we don't want some bad things to happen for few people, like so that whenever a guy dies, we always feel bad about them, yeah,
I really, yeah, that's the thing that everyone dies and you feel like crying,
yeah, yeah,
and that's the thing because and uh, and the I would say that the gap is so widened between the inequality factor that they have shown
yeah,
between the people who have money and the people who don't have it.
yeah,
it it's really is the one that you, because it has been shown very well.
yeah,
You know that
Ye-
I know it for a fact that I have read a lot of books and lot of stories, and I know this trope
okay,
before.
yeah, yeah,
I know this trope I know for before, but this one doesn't wasn't a surprise to me,
okay,
but still it held up
yeah,
because it so beautifully and beautifully I can say it's beautiful because it has been done really efficiently.
yeah,
Everything has been really efficient. The
yeah, yeah,
technicalities, the writing, the direction, the acting,
yeah,
everything
yeah,
is really good. And the way that they had dealt with some characters is really good. Like no mean girl ever have been used to create laughs,
yeah,
and also you have portrayed her as a strong character. It's a
Yeah, yeah,
really strong character.
yeah, yeah,
It's a strong character. Like the first one, he comes and says that, please get me out of here. I just haven't registered my
yeah.
baby's birth
Baby's name. Yeah,
certificate.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah, yeah. So I want to name my baby.
yeah,
So it's so like it's so hilarious. At
yeah,
that
yeah,
moment, it's like, and that's where the black comedy thing comes up.
yeah, yeah.
So they have
And
used it.
yeah, and also
Yeah,
like they like uh, like that there are a few characters who is very un, annoying, you know, like this character at one point it becomes very annoying. Yeah, this lady character at one point she becomes very annoying. And
yeah,
also the few other people, they were like they created every mood and they delivered it properly. Yeah, yeah,
yeah, yeah. They deliver it, and
yeah,
also the approach of the writer, that also creating a character that
yeah,
is not in the game,
yeah. And
that is
also like
outside the game, but
yeah,
he's playing a point role, and he is also driven. He has to find his brother.
yeah,
He's there to find his brother,
yeah,
and he is trained. He has been in this situation. He can cope with this,
yeah,
and
and
that's a smart guy. And he penetrates to the big people. So
yeah,
that was also an approach that I liked about the film, that they didn't had the one way through. So that's why those mistakes, like I won't call it their mistakes, that shortcomings, like
they could
not
have done
creating
little
not
better. Yeah, yeah,
yeah not the lacking in the character detailing, doesn't harms, because they have the two parallel things going. The game is also going. Then you have a small scandal within the people of the game, and then you also have a person that what do you call it, a black sheep, who is
yeah,
now a
yeah,
black sheep, and
yeah.
yeah,
And
it's a
also
Trojan
like,
horse.
but at one point the series took into another level of pace, you know, like when like when this thug kills the guy, you know, like who is fighting with him for his food, you know, like this guy ate his food. Yeah, at that moment when they get
Yeah,
to
yeah,
know that like if one guy dies they'll get a money. And after that everybody was so
yeah,
envy, like they just want this money, like everybody was like they that time they
yeah, yeah, yeah,
start to play the game. Exactly, yeah,
yeah. That's the only thing. That why is it? And it's the thing that this show is also about the human nature, and also about the lust for money, and also about why this uh, greed for money exists in the people who don't have it, because they have gone through a lot of this. They have
yeah,
gone through a lot of things,
yeah,
and they
yeah, yeah,
still
sorry,
want
yeah,
to. Yeah, they have gone through a lot of things. Like you have North Korean refugees.
yeah, yeah. Like
You have a
at
North
one point
Korean.
I thought that she's like she's just kidding, okay, she's just like uh, 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 asking this in a funny way, okay, like are you from north? And like I thought that okay, she's asking in a funny way. And then she reveals that yeah, oh okay, okay, I was like yeah, they did it beautifully. Yeah,
Yeah, see, North Korea and South Korea is because in Korean culture, in Korean prospect, if you see, so it's a really big thing. Like it's similar to India, Pakistan, but
yeah,
Yeah.
Like even India, Sri Lanka also have the
You
same.
might not, yeah,
Yeah,
you might not differentiate, but you know the difference.
yeah, yeah,
So yeah, so that's the thing over there as well. So
yeah,
and yeah, that's the and there what I was thinking that the connection between these two shows, like, and the North Korea and the South Korea thing has been put in India Pakistan context before also, when Salman Khan and
Bajrang Bajrang.
Ali Abbas Zafar remade Ode to My Father into Bharat. So
Okay, yeah, yeah.
do you know it?
Okay. No,
Yeah,
no.
Bharat was a remake of a Korean film called
Oh, Korean.
Ode to My
Okay.
Ode.
Oh, okay. I didn't know this. Okay.
So it was also on the lines of division of North Korea and South Korea.
Okay.
So
I haven't
that's
watched the
why
film. Like
Bharat is on the
I've seen
lines
few
of,
scenes. Okay, I've seen few of the scenes from the film Bharat. Then I was like, okay, this is not like I didn't like Salman Khan. Okay, so I I I just keep watching it. Yeah, yeah. I was saying about like I haven't watched the film. Like I've seen few scenes from the film. Okay, then I was like, moreover, I didn't like Salman Khan. Then I thought that this is not my kind of a film, so I just skipped it. Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
yeah,
It was mostly a bandwagon, but in some parts it was a totally relatable thing, and it was
yeah,
really genuine drama. Yeah, there is a scene where where Salman's character meets his sister after partition, and it's one scene where it's his few of his scenes where you can call it that this guy act,
yeah,
that this guy
yeah.
can
Like
act.
I really like him, but
That also
okay,
became a
yeah,
meme. That
yeah, yeah,
also became a meme. That a
yeah.
lot of people took that
Oh,
screenshot and said that this is called overacting.
okay,
But that was that was genuine acting on the part of
yeah,
the great Mr. Salman Khan, because
yeah,
does it for a really fewer
yeah,
occasions.
yeah,
Yeah. So
yeah. And like yeah, and also like it is something like it is an example for us to make a like a show like this, like they have showed something. Okay, like
yeah,
yeah, like because this is very relatable to the Indian, so we can easily come up with
yeah.
a beautiful series like this.
I
Yeah,
don't. Yeah,
yeah,
I don't feel like that in the Korean context.
yeah,
This show will be a hassle-free show. It won't had no controversy around it. I cannot guarantee it because I am not a Korean and I don't
yeah,
know a lot about
yeah. Like
Korean. Yeah,
yeah,
Korean
if like there were
thing.
a lot
So
of problems will come because of the government when they making this show in India. Like yeah,
yeah, yeah, yeah. Subbu, do you know about the film called Serbian film?
yeah, I've heard about it. Yeah,
Heard
I've heard
about it?
about it. Yeah, but I haven't watched it.
Yeah, haven't watched it. You shouldn't watch it.
Yeah, like one of my friend told me that is like
You shouldn't watch it. So
yeah. Now I know why. Yeah,
yeah, you shouldn't watch it. So the thing is, the Serbian film also had that, but it goes on some another level. It goes some
I get it.
another trip. Goes on some another trip.
Yeah,
But
because my friend
it's
told me a few things from the film.
yeah,
My
it is
friend.
similar to that one.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It
yeah,
is similar to that one, that the government and or the people are just mere puppets in the hands of the people of the
so,
capitalists.
yeah,
Is
yeah,
not a thing that government will want, that people should cherish.
yeah,
The people should more people should know.
yeah,
Yeah, because Yeah, in the West, what happens that you have a show, and like there is a show called Mr. Robot, if you have watched.
I haven't watched it.
Mr. Robot is a show that you must watch if you have.
Netflix. Yeah, is it?
Yeah, now
Yeah.
on Netflix or Amazon, it will be
Okay.
available
Okay. If it is
on
Amazon, I'll watch.
some.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So, Mr. Robot is a show you must watch if you have loved
Yeah. I
Fight
think
Club.
I've heard it. I think I've seen the names. I think it is on Prime, I guess. So
Rami
yeah.
Malik, you know
Yeah.
Rami
Yeah.
Malik.
Yeah. 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 I know. Yeah.
Yeah, he is the protagonist of the show.
Okay.
So, Mr. Robot is a show you cannot miss if you have loved the Fight Club from the core
Oh.
of your heart.
Okay. Yeah. I'm a huge Fight Club fan. Yeah.
So
Then
you
I should.
cannot miss.
Okay.
You should go. You can have an opinion that it's not good, it's not that, but you must watch it.
Okay. Sure.
You must watch it. So uh, every Fight Club fan should go and watch Mr. Robot. My recommendation.
Yeah.
So that's one thing.
Noted it. Yeah.
Yeah. So like that one, also Mr. Robot also has that thing that capitalists are ruining the thing,
Yeah.
and
Okay.
that's one thing.
Okay.
Okay. So it was it, people should always used it as an joke, but it became a quote after Mr. Robot that privacy is a myth.
Oh,
So
okay.
it's a dialogue
Okay.
in
Okay.
the so shows like these are the shows which make you a little what they say. If I say it in a layman language, it gets it feeds those anti-government germs in your
Yeah.
brain.
Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah. So
Yeah.
an Indian version of Squid Game is capable of doing that as well. So
Yeah.
some people might not do it, and
Yeah.
also that
I,
there are
I,
people who will
I
be
think
like, oh, tumne
if
copy kiya,
Netflix
you are
it's
copying
if
from Korean cinema.
yeah, but I think if Netflix is ready to produce a show like this,
Yeah,
then
yeah, yeah, yeah,
then
yeah.
we'll do that.
But it
Or otherwise,
shouldn't.
only an indie filmmaker with some good producer who can put a like a, how much of an amount this guy need. Yeah, then we
Yeah,
can see
like
show like this. Yeah,
but I don't want it because I just want because now in this age in ongoing OTT scene,
yeah,
there are a lot of I will say in the literal sense cinematic craftsmen are going on OTT, and they are like that we will make shows that we want to make
yeah,
because OTT is giving us that what they say freedom to
yeah,
make it,
yeah,
especially at Netflix,
yeah, yeah.
especially on Netflix.
Yeah, but in
It's there.
India, I
So
don't think. But in India, for like shows, the Netflix has a great thing for India. Yeah, for shows, Netflix is giving a great freedom for in India. But for films, I think like Amazon Prime is somewhere down the line. They are better than Netflix
now
when it comes to
for
films.
films also, I would say for films also,
I don't. Okay.
Amazon Prime is
Yeah,
not
but like
is
yeah,
taking films
like
from
you already
the
said,
big
like you
production
yeah,
houses.
yeah, like you already said, like we get to see some big pro- production house films on Amazon Prime and some indie films we get to see in on Netflix. I think you
Like
know Cinema Mandi,
yeah,
yeah,
yeah, Cinema Mandi, and
yeah,
you might not know that there is a filmmaker called Sudhir Mishra.
yeah. I know him, yeah,
Yeah, Sudhir Mishra, 4 or 5 time National Award winner.
yeah,
He will go with a script and a producer may say, yeah, we won't make this film, we don't want to make this film, this film is this film is that. I
Yeah.
am saying about Serious Man.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Serious,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
because Serious Man has got
Like, yeah, I
Nawazuddin
get you.
has
I get
got
you.
a
Yeah.
nomination for Serious Man.
Yeah.
So yeah, this that film cannot happen if somebody backs it.
Yeah.
So if and Netflix, after coming to India, has invested in it. I'll
Yeah.
tell you one thing. I'm digressing. We are again digressing from Squid Games. But if
Yeah.
you see the growth of Hollywood
Yeah.
as and why Hollywood has penetrated everywhere, because they have always invested in the
Yeah.
literature.
Yeah. Yeah.
You see a lot of, including Fight Club, there are
Yeah.
a lot of films. Yeah, still there will be films that will be adapted. There is a award or in the Academy Awards there is a special section for adapted screenplay.
Yeah. 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 I
That
know.
means they
Yeah.
adapt the screenplay from the books.
Yeah.
So it's an adaptation, it's a cinematic adaptation of the book.
Yeah.
And in India it's not that big a culture also.
Yeah.
We have a Devdas, but
Yeah.
apart
Yeah.
from Devdas we
But
don't
for
have.
me, I have some different opinion on this particular thing. You know, like we have writers who write them. Like we have writers who are writing some original things. Like few were original, not everything, but few people were writing some original screenplays, original stories, and all. But there
Yeah,
they will
yeah.
have it's about the screenplay, not about the story. They are not writing the story. Some book, some authors have done that.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
I tell you one thing. Yeah,
yeah,
I tell you one thing, that screenplay is a totally different thing.
yeah. Okay.
Sometimes you cannot a 50 Shades of Grey is
Yeah,
a 2-hour film, but
yeah, yeah,
it's a 450 page
yeah, yeah, yeah. I agree. Yeah,
manuscript.
yeah,
So it
yeah.
takes
I
time,
agree
like
with that
a
point.
con girl.
I'm not saying that is bad, but here, we are not doing the
Yeah,
same thing.
yeah,
Though, like, yeah,
yeah, yeah. I can see your apprehension. I
yeah,
can see why you are apprehensive about it. Why uh, you don't you have some speculation in your mind. But
yeah. Because
the
why
point
I'm saying
is
this is why I'm saying this is
that
because when I read the books, okay, when I read Harry Potter, I loved the novel. Okay, I loved the novel of, yeah, like all the parts. After watching it, I was like first I watched the film. Okay, first I watched the films, and then only I read the novel. Then after watching it now, I was like, this is not like they haven't done justice in my opinion. Like when I'm watching the, yeah,
yeah, that's the thing, that's the
yeah,
thing, that's the
that's the
thing,
only thing
that's the thing.
I am
You
not
make a
there.
movie.
Yeah,
Yeah, you make a movie out of a 450 page thing,
yeah,
then you cannot take all of that. So
yeah,
you have to take a call.
yeah,
That's a skill of your own. That
yeah,
from one novel I can make four separate films. But
yeah, yeah,
that's my take on the book.
yeah,
But to take the book on its entirety and make a novel on it, or getting inspired from it and make a novel on it, is a separate thing. Like Chuck Palahniuk's Fight Club was a short story.
yeah,
David Fincher made a book on, make a film on it.
yeah,
It was a short story. It was just 450 pages. A Shawshank Redemption is
yeah,
also adaptation from
yeah. French film,
Rita
right?
Hayworth and Rita Hayworth and the Shawshank Redemption.
Yeah,
The Stephen King short
yeah,
story
yeah,
name was Rita Hayworth and the Shawshank Redemption. So it was a short story. Then they elaborate the character themselves. Then
yeah,
the cinema come into play.
yeah,
Okay. So I
yeah,
am saying that then the cinema come into play. when they adapt the film. So that's the thing. So by a lot of filmmakers uh, tend to go to adapt a film, because then they know that, because when they read it, they picture a film in their mind.
Yeah, yeah.
So
That is
when,
always happens with the books, right? That is always
yeah,
happens with me. Yeah,
that only happens with the book.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So that can happen. That's a filmmaker's priority, that I will make a film like that. So I am in the favor of making adapting books. I am
Yeah,
not against it, because
yeah,
if
yeah.
you are going to make a white tiger
Yeah,
of
because I'm not against it. I am little
have you
bored of.
seen white tiger?
I'm little bored of these things. Like because
Yeah.
every English
Have
film is
you
like
have
based on novel. I was like, just come on, man. I'm
but
little
have you
bored.
seen
Yeah,
white tiger?
yeah, yeah, yeah. I watched it. Yeah, I haven't read
Yeah.
the
So
novel.
yeah. So I was pretty, because I know that a lot of my friends, not a lot, but some of my friends, some of people that I know, who go to ICSE schools, and they were like that. Our teacher says read White Tiger in your
Yeah.
summer vacations, and this and that. That too, 7th or 8th grade students.
Okay. Okay.
And when I saw the film, I was like, they were giving this dark themed
Yeah.
book to sixth
Yeah.
or
The
seventh,
six.
eighth students.
Yeah.
Yeah, for what? And then you gradually come to know that these things makes the head stronger,
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
gives you perspective.
Yeah.
So you need to read these things. Like, we always get the sugar coated version of
Yeah.
the dark themed
Book.
stories.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we would know a Pied Piper. We would know uh, what they say, frog from the well, but we don't know the entire story, which has a dark climax.
Yeah.
So we don't go there.
Yeah. Okay. And with that, like we'll just say that I lost like our final points on Squid Game,
Squid
and
Game.
yeah, and why the people should watch it, and like we'll just finish it in 10 minutes. Yeah.
Yeah. So the only reason to watch it is it's a good show. It's a
Yeah.
really good show.
Yeah.
It's definitely a overhyped one. But
Yeah.
if
But
that hype gets you to watch a good show, it's
then that's
great.
fine. Yeah.
Yeah, it's really fine. It's not something. It's just not binge worthy. It's bingeable. So
Yeah.
you seldomly get things like that.
Yeah.
So it's easily bingeable, and may- it might not live up the hype, but you won't be like, yeah, you won't be disappointed or
Yeah. Yeah.
disgusted
Sure.
or cringe. So, and you will enjoy the experience. It's a good show. It's a good
Yeah.
experience
Yeah.
of a
For
show.
sure.
So you
Yeah.
must watch it. And if you're watching it, and if you want some recommendations, so I will really recommend Sardar Udham, because
Yeah.
I have personally watched it and I have loved it. And you might not like the film if you are there in for the entertainment purposes,
Yeah. Yeah.
but if you are a fan of cinema, or you are a fan of Vicky Kaushal, or you
Yeah.
really relate with the
Like this
Jallianwala Bagh
history things,
incident, uh, yeah,
Yeah.
then you no, for someone who relates with the Jallianwala Bagh incident,
Yeah.
must go and watch this one, because this has something in it. I
Yeah.
won't reveal it, but
Okay. Yeah.
you go and watch it, and you would know what I am talking about.
Yeah.
So,
Sure.
Subbu, I suggest you to get yourself hydrated a lot
Yeah. No
if you
problem.
are going to watch Sadarudam,
Yeah.
because
No
you
problem.
tend to
I've started
get
it. I've
emotional a
started
lot.
it, but like then
Yeah,
Yeah,
because there's nothing in the start. There,
yeah, yeah.
all of this is in
Yeah,
the
because
end.
I really like Vicky Kaushal. Okay, I really like him, and also like I'm a huge fan of this history films.
Also, one thing that in this film I felt like, sir, talking about Sadaruddin, I felt like that we are not going to miss Mr. Irfan Khan,
Oh, okay.
because we have a Vicky Kaushal here.
Oh, okay.
And if you
Oh my God, I've got
don't know,
goosebumps. I've got goose. Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
if you don't know, Irfan Khan was going to play
Okay.
Sadaruddin.
So, okay, okay.
So he
Oh,
couldn't
great.
do it
Health
because of his
issues.
disease. But
Yeah, yeah,
yeah, because of the health issues.
yeah.
Um, and now he cannot do it. But the Vicky Kaushal has done. I think he has surpassed Masan.
Yeah, yeah,
And
if I just watch it and then if I really liked it, then we'll definitely do a podcast on Sardar Udham for sure.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah, okay,
yeah,
and yeah,
really.
and
I want you to get it done
like
within this week
yeah,
before
sure.
Saturday.
Maybe I'll finish it by today. Yeah, don't worry.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, and
yeah.
yeah,
So
okay. My points on Squid Game is something like because you get to see we have already tell something about art direction and all. We have already discussed this.
yeah.
Yeah, and one more point I haven't mentioned is like the like yeah, I I think we have already mentioned it, but still, yeah, the friend character, the bad character is something very brilliant than the main protagonist. He's somebody very innocent. He's always talking about, hey, this guy's got selected in this particular school. He's
Yeah,
very
yeah.
brilliant. We are proud of.
I will tell you. I will tell you that that doesn't happen a lot. But
Yeah,
when your mother says that, when a lot of um, elder people always advise you that keep your heart pure, keep your heart pure. It
yeah.
will help you. It will
Don't.
help you. So, so,
You have to
so when it comes
be
to
little
that
wise when
point,
you hear
because
the statements.
he is innocent.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You have to
yeah,
be
because
little
he is.
wise when
So,
people saying these kind of statements like you have to be you have to keep your heart so pure. At that time you have to be wise. Yeah,
yeah. So and know the literal meaning of it, not the literal meaning of it, but what this implicates,
yeah,
what they are implying of that. So you
yeah,
should know it. So that is that he doesn't takes it. He knows
yeah,
it. He knows
yeah.
from the front that this guy is selfish and this guy doesn't wants me because
Yeah,
in
given at the
his mind
last
he is
point,
thinking that
given at the
somewhere
last point,
somewhere
he didn't kill him. Like he just want his friend to be alive. Even at the very
yeah.
last. Yeah,
Yeah, but because Xiang Hu has the thing in his mind that in somewhere his friend, the banker friend, thinks
yeah,
that he might lose because of Xiang Hu, because
yeah,
Xiang
yeah,
Hu is gullible and he's not that much intelligent.
yeah,
So
yeah,
he might lack from him.
yeah,
He
and
knows it,
yeah,
but he is not like that. This guy can save me, so
yeah,
I will be like, okay, yeah, like on his feet. Yeah, please save me, please save me.
yeah,
I will do anything. He's
yeah,
not like that.
yeah,
He's
yeah.
like, okay,
He's
he might not lose because of
independent. Okay,
me.
yeah, yes, and everybody independent. I mean, most of the people are independent. Like they are so brave. That's why they stepped into this game. We have to. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. And I think these are all the reasons like
yeah,
that you should watch it.
and
Yeah,
that banker guy is not brave enough.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah, he is not
He's
brave enough.
brilliant enough.
That's why he keep playing games.
Yeah,
Yeah, he thinks he is smart enough,
yeah,
but he is
yeah.
not
Smart.
brave enough for the thing.
Yeah,
Yeah, because
yeah,
if
and
he would have been
yeah, and you also
really
have
brave
yeah, like you also have an Indian actor
and
who acted in
really
this film. So because of that,
I yeah, it's the show is filled with brilliant acting performances.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
shout out to Anupam Trivedi, who played Ali.
Anupam Tripathi, yeah. And he is from Delhi.
Anupam
Yeah,
Trivedi,
yeah,
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 he
yeah,
might get a lot of international projects
yeah.
and became the
So,
next Carl Penn.
yeah.
But yeah, all good luck and congratulations to him. But
Yeah,
his performance, it's a short one. The character has not that much of scope, but still the innocence in his performance
yeah.
has
Like
been
you
so
feel
much
really
light.
bad for that character. You really feel
Oh,
bad for him. You just root him. You just root
really.
for him. Yeah,
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 and it's his acting makes it
yeah,
uh, so
yeah,
its acting is so believable and so
yeah,
relatable.
yeah.
Yeah, and
And
Anupam Trivedi has just stole the show.
yeah, sure.
And shout out to the director as well, the
Yeah,
writer
yeah,
director.
yeah. We have already
Yeah,
done that.
yeah,
Yeah,
because of accomplishing the vision that he had
yeah.
for this
And yeah,
series.
because of all these reasons, Vidya mentioned, we have said here, because of that, please watch it, and then you'll get to know why it is unmissable. Yeah,
Yeah. And
yeah,
Subbu, what's
yeah,
your recommendation for the week?
yeah, yeah, sure. Yeah, and both Sadar Rhythm, and also I have to like have to make a schedule to watch Mr. Robot. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
No, what's your recommendation? That are
Okay,
you going
okay.
to watch?
Oh,
So
okay,
you
okay,
also
okay.
recommend these?
Okay, my recommendation, I've watched a Tamil film in theater. I don't know whether that will have a OTT release in few weeks. Okay,
What film?
Doctor. The film name is Doctor. It
Doctor?
was,
Yeah, I am hearing a lot about it.
yeah, it is.
I'm
It is
hearing a lot
really
about it.
funny. It is more than funny. It was very
It's
unique.
a
Okay,
funny or dark film?
it's a
It's a funny film or a dark film?
dark dark comedy. Yeah, dark comedy and the dark comedy thriller. Yeah, it's thriller. Yeah.
Yeah. No, this excites me.
Yeah, and more than that, the way
And one thing more,
and
Subbu, I
the
want
thing
to
is
ask you.
yeah, yeah, the thing is it was very unique in a way, you know what is going to happen, you have seen these things, but the director dealt in a very different way. That matters a lot for me. Yeah,
Oh.
yeah.
So, what are your thoughts about the Telugu film Love Story?
Oh no, I haven't watched it, man. I have to watch it. They didn't have.
So,
Is it released on the OTT?
no, it hasn't has an
Okay, I'm just
OTT
waiting for
release,
it. Yeah, yeah.
but I have listened that it has garnered a lot of audience uh, in the theaters that weren't there because
Yeah, yeah.
of the Thalavi thing. The because everyone was saying that because the audiences are now not going to the theaters, that was the
Yeah,
reason why Thalavi flopped.
yeah.
So and this love story has so is it a conventional love story? It's a conventional Telugu film or it's something different?
No, I'll tell
You
you
have
later.
must
I'll
watch
tell
the
you.
theater,
It is
the trailer.
little different take on this. It is little different take on that. Okay, and so I have to go. Sorry, man. So with that we'll finish the podcast and we'll see you in the next podcast.
Okay, bro.
Yeah,
Okay, bro.
I'll tell you about love story
Yeah,
later.
okay, sir.
Yeah, yeah.